This is Just in Case of American Newscape, joining our friend Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Sarah rejoins us to keep us up to speed on our libraries. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Hello. Thank you for having me once again this week.
Always a pleasure. What is happening at the libraries?
Well, we're getting closer to the holidays, and so I wanted to let people know that our Overdrive collection has a wonderful curated collection of not only uh, holiday books for adults, but also kids' books. So maybe if you're looking for a new classic to read to your kids, or maybe you're the kind of person who likes to get into the holidays by reading a light holiday romance, or maybe you like a holiday murder. You could run the gamut, but there is a terrific collection available on Overdrive. And I also wanted to let you know that we have recently partnered with Navajo County Public Libraries. So we have access to their collections, they have access to ours. And over the year, we have partnered with now 9 different library districts to share collections. So it's really been beneficial to anybody who uses any of those libraries. You basically have 9 library collections at your disposal. So if you haven't been on Overdrive for a while, you can check out Overdrive on your browser, or you can download the Libby app to your mobile device. You can check out, I believe, up to 10 items from each library. So if you really want it to be ambitious, you can check out 90 titles at a time.
Oh my.
If you do it, I want to hear about it.
Yeah. If you do it and read it.
Yes, there will be a quiz.
Exactly. What else you got for us?
Well, the only other thing I'd like to mention are our holiday hours. We will be closing at 5 p.m. on both Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve, which are both on Thursdays this year. And then Friday, Christmas Day and New Year's Day, the libraries will be closed for the holiday. And then we will reopen the next Saturday. So really, we'll just be closed for the one holiday day, and then we will be back open for you to visit.
Well, it sounds like it'll be business as usual come 2021.
Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully it will bring better things.
It has that opportunity.
Yes.
This has been Just in Case and Sarah Wisdom, sharing Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links, including Overdrive, are provided in this video's Read More. Today is the day to subscribe to this channel, and please support libraries everywhere.